How to log out of Facebook Messenger on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log out of Facebook Messenger on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you are logged into your Facebook Messenger application on your iPhone and then you want to log out, one thing that you can do is, instead of logging out, if you have some of the other accounts over here, you can simply try to switch to those accounts if you like over here, as you would be able to find it in this case. Otherwise, what you can actually do is you have to log out. As you can see, we don't have the logout button on Messenger app itself. So what we're going to do is we're actually just going to go and open the Facebook application, tap the three lines option, tap the gear icon from the very top, and then we will simply go to the option known as Meta Account Center. So let's just let this web page to load up successfully first over here. So let me also check my Wi-Fi connection. Once done, just tap on Meta Account Center, and then from here onwards what you have to do is, on the next specific page, you will see this type of account center interface, where what you need to do is go to password and security, and then just go to where you're logged in, and you should be able to actually select your Facebook account, select your iPhone from here, and then you should be able to log them out respectively. This way you should be able to actually log out of Facebook Messenger on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.